Hey YouTube, I wanted to show you a quick little side project I worked on while I had the turbo out, and that was the front, the front engine mount, but it's bolted to the tranny, so the front tranny mount. It's quite easy to do. I wanted to talk real quickly on how I did it. In a previous video, you might have noticed I picked up some aftermarket engine mounts. They are innovative engine mounts. I already swapped this one out from the stocker, but I just wanted to talk about real quick how to do it in case you wanted to do it yourself. There's not too many bolts. I'll go over them with you right now. That way you know which ones to remove. You have a 14mm bolt here, so the nut and the bolt are 14. Undo those. This here is also a 14. You can take that out now or leave it. I would leave it. Come up underneath the car and you have two 17mm bolts here in the front, right there. Those are 17. We'll slide towards the back of the car and you have 14mm here on this bar, and then a 14 here, and then a 14 on the other end right there. Then back up under here you have one more 17 right here. So you take these bolts out and this whole subframe assembly, mount assembly, comes out as one whole unit. When that is out, when this whole piece is out, what you can do then is you can undo this bolt here and then that bolt right there. You can see that you can't get to it with this mount in place. You have to take this whole piece out, but it's not difficult to do. It came out real easy. Probably took me, I don't know, 45 minutes total. I do have air tools though. If you go slow, you're looking at maybe an hour tops to complete this project. Now that this one is done, I just have to do this one up here, and then of course the one over by the timing cover. Alright guys, that was it. I just wanted to show you this real quick and give you an update on that. And the turbo is almost done and ready to go on. I'll have another video of that at a later date. Thank you guys.